6 7 kite. Today I draw with number 6 7 very easily a cute picture with 6 7 number. Let's go start. At first we draw 6 7, then draw and then draw another curved line. It's like a hair. Draw two curved line, then draw its body shape and draw two leg shape. Then draw its foot, draw its leg. Dear friend, you must be hype this video and you can also do super chat for inspiration to me. Now draw its another leg. Dear friend, please hype this channel and like this video, and you can also comment this video. Who are know about 6 7 kite? Please comment. Now draw its tail. What I draw the picture with number 7 6 7. You can tell me. Now draw its eye. Draw another eye. Draw its nose. Draw a line. I draw the picture with number 6 7. Dear friend, you can send me super sticker. You can do super chat for inspire to me good picture drawing, and if you send me super chat or super thanks, I will draw a picture with your name first letter. Don't believe it, try yourself. Dear friend, everyone like this channel and subscribe this channel. Are already who are subscribe our channel, many thanks to you. I again tell you, please hype my videos. And you can also like, comment and subscribe and share this video with your friend. This is really funny drawing with viral 6 7 kite. Everybody tell again 6 7 6 7. 6 7 6 7. It's really funny, dear friend. I left like 6 7. Now another one is trending 6 1. Dear friend, I draw the picture with number 6. Now draw with number 7, then complete 6 7. Everybody tell me about 6 7. What is draw this number with 7? Tell me, dear friend. I draw a mango with number 7. So dear friends, everybody, thank you. Like, comment, share this video. 6 7 6 7 6 7. Bye bye. Like, comment, tata, subscribe.